Are you tired of a messy gallery and want to protect your photo privacy? Come on, create a secret folder on your Samsung phone. With this easy trick, your photos and videos will be stored safely and will not be known to anyone. Here's the tutorial. Open your Gallery app. Then select all the photos and videos you want to hide. Tap the More button at the bottom here. Select the Move to Album option. Then you can choose an existing album or create a new custom folder. Next, display all albums by tapping View All. Then, tap the 3 vertical dots button at the top here and select Hide Albums. Finally, you can simply activate the toggle button next to your album to hide it in the Gallery app. And done! Now the photos and videos you have selected have been successfully hidden. And to display them again, you simply return to the Hide Albums menu. Then disable the toggle button. What do you think? It's really easy to hide photos and videos on a Samsung phone, right? If you have other tips, don't forget to share them in the comments column. Thank you for watching.